Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Fiat 500, and if you have problems where you need to replace or locate where the windshield washer pump is located because let's say your windshield washers do not work, do not spray, stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. You have one pump for the front and the back. It just it reverses polarity, so when it spins one way it will work for the front, when it spins the other way it will be for the back. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can guys save a ton of money. So let's explain what we have specifically here. If we open the hood on that Fiat 500 Abarth here, you're going to notice guys that right here now, this is the windshield washer reservoir. That's where you add windshield washer fluid. You can see that thing right there. But now if you guys have problems where the windshield washing system does not work, first check fuse guys for windshield washer. We have the video on the channel that will teach you where it's located. Second, if the fuse is good, I would recommend to actually remove the pump, and you can test the windshield washer pump really easy. But if you come underneath and you remove the engine cover, we have a video how to remove the under engine cover. This is your windshield washer reservoir right here guys. So the pump itself, it's super easy to access. Okay, it's right here, and you have the connector on the top. You squeeze the two metal things and you pull it out. You have only two hoses that you need to disconnect. The one is for the front, one is for the back. And after that guys, okay, all we have to do, kind of like it comes a little bit out and up at the same time, it will come out. It has one rubber seal that you will need to make sure you install it correctly, but when you remove it, you're going to leak all your washer fluid out. So be prepared not to get it in your eyes, not to get it on your skin, because that's chemicals guys. Now that's how you guys do it. Not very complicated if you need to do it. So if you want to see how to rebuild, how to fix windshield washer pump that doesn't work, we have the video on our main channel, Auto Repair guys. Check it out, it will teach you how to do that. If you want to see any other specific videos on Fiat 500, that will be the time. Leave a comment in the comment section while we still have that thing, so we can try to help as many people as we can and try to make as many videos as we can. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.